Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a very quick and simple delicious recipe for chayote. So many of my cooking class guests requested this to learn, and so this gave me idea of bringing it to you. Let's go! First, I'm going to cut the chayote into the long thin pieces. So for this recipe, I'm only using 2 chayote. I cut into 2 pieces and then after that I rub it. So if you have a very sensitive skin, I will suggest you to use gloves because this white part is quite itchy. So I'm going to clean it. Remove the skin. And remove the seed as well. So I have been washed it just now, and now we're going to cut it into long thin pieces. For the benefit of the chayote, please Google it. Next, I'm going to chop the garlic and shallot. Put it aside. Chop the garlic. Put it aside. The chili here is optional. I'm using 2 Bali hot pepper and 1 big red chili. And now I'm going to slice it. So now let's turn on the cooker. I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil. The oil is hot enough. Let's add the shallot. Keep stirring it until the shallot is soft, and then after that we add the garlic. Now add the garlic. Cook for another 2 minutes. And the chilies. Add the chayote. Add a 1/4 cup of water. Keep stirring it. Add a pinch of salt. I'm using sea salt this time. And black peppercorn. Stir it and we cook it until it's cooked through but not mushy. Now it's ready, so let's plate it. Smells so good. So the big red chili, I'm going to use it for garnish. Let's slice it. So here we are, simple stir-fry chayote. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. If you would like to join, please drop me your email. I put my email address in the description below. And I will see you in my next video. Matur Suksma. Bye-bye.